Today we're going to be talking about the TC8611 T1 or E1 Redundancy Controller. The purpose of this device is to allow you to have redundancy for your T1 or E1 link, and for this video, we will be referring to it simply as T1. In this example, we have two end devices connected via T1. The TC8611 has a single port at the rear and two ports in the front. The one in the rear of the unit is connected to the end devices, and the two T1 ports are used to connect the TC8611 together as shown here. One of these T1 ports is designated as primary and the second as secondary. Under normal operation, the TC8611 will route all T1 traffic through the primary T1. However, in the event of a failure or interruption of the primary T1, it will automatically switch to routing traffic to the secondary T1. Switching from primary to secondary happens very quickly, and it will stay in that position until it recognizes that the primary T1 link has recovered for a standard of 5 seconds, or a preset recovery period, at which point it will simply switch back to the primary T1. Let's talk about an application. Many customers that use this product have a primary T1 often provided by a telco or a third party, and they choose to provide the second T1. Some use it with the same provider as the primary T1, however, more commonly what we see is a secondary T1 provided by an alternative route such as microwave. Of course, you could use microwave for your primary T1, but what we see often is a wired primary T1 with microwave as a secondary backup for the T1. As an alternative, we commonly notice people choosing to use our jumbo switch TC3845-1. This product provides T1 over Ethernet. You can use one of the ports on this device to provide the secondary T1, and of course you can use it for the primary T1 as well. There are a variety of options for providing T1s, wired or otherwise. The TC8611 is a part of our mini channel make line. We have our troubleshooting at a glance LEDs, and there are two of these LEDs for each port, as well as the R2 button. To learn more about the R2 button, please watch our video on this incredible feature. The link is in the description. As previously mentioned, we have two ports for the primary and secondary T1. There are two LEDs for each port. If the AIS is flashing yellow, all ones are detected, which is a test. If the SIG LED is flashing green, then the T1 signal is lost. If the SIG LED is solid green, the T1 signal is valid. As with all of our products, the TC8611 can withstand a standard temperature range from -20 degrees to 70 degrees Celsius, and an extended temperature option is available from -40 to 80 degrees Celsius. Let's look at mounting options. The most supplied TC8611 is housed in what we call our standalone unit. It holds a single card, fully self-contained, and can be wall-mounted or simply placed on a tray. It has dual power supplies and full functionality. If you prefer rack mounting, we do have a 1U rack. This chassis can hold 1 or 2 individual interface cards, as shown here. If you require more cards, we also have a 4U rack, which holds up to 7 interface cards. For more information, please visit tccomm.com. You can find the TC8611 by clicking on the drop-down menu in the top right corner of our homepage. Also, the link is in the description. Feel free to get in touch with us by clicking on Contact Us, also in the top right corner. Please like and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.